Bitcoin rallies slightly in the early hours on Friday. This is Chris from FXEmpire, and this video is brought to you by XNET, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Bitcoin has rallied a bit in the early hours on Friday as it looks like we are trying to break out of the recent consolidation, but it is worth noting that there is a lot of noise between where we are now and the $100,000 level. If and when we can break above the $100,000 level, then I think Bitcoin has a real shot at going toward the top of its overall range. Keep in mind, this is a market that has been sideways for ages as we are waiting to see whether or not we can actually continue the uptrend. I do think that happens given enough time, but right now we just don't have any fundamental reason to get excited. The market had recently rallied due to the new Wall Street ETF, went sideways for months after that, and then rallied again when Donald Trump was elected. The Trump administration is pro crypto, but at the end of the day, the market is now waiting to see if they actually are going to do anything. So far, they have not, and that is what you get on the chart here is sideways action in that environment. I would point out that every time the market pulls back, there do seem to be plenty of buyers underneath willing to take advantage of it. So I think ultimately you have to look at it through that prism and understand that short-term dips offer accumulation possibilities down at the $90,000 level and slightly above. The support, I believe, extends down to the $88,000 level. So as long as we stay above there, I'm not overly worried about any dip. To the upside, the $110,000 level is a major barrier and ceiling, and it's not until we can break above there that I would truly be excited about the Bitcoin move. At this point, I would anticipate that Bitcoin could go to the $130,000 level based on the measured move, but as things stand right now, it just looks like we are meandering back and forth and really don't have any real clear directionality. Again, I'm accumulating more on short-term pullbacks.